Hello, my name is Corinne and welcome to Fab Eats. In this video, we're going to make a butternut squash and ginger soup. Very bright, delightful, and perfect for this fall season. I hope you'll enjoy watching this video, and if you do so, please like it and subscribe to my channel.
Cut the whole butternut squash in halves. Remove the seeds. Cut the halves into 3 or 4 pieces to make peeling easier. Chop the peeled butternut squash in chunks and place into a saucepan. Add cold water, place on the stove and wait for it to boil. Then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. While the butternut squash cooks, mince the onions and fry in neutral flavor vegetable oil for 5 to 7 minutes. Add fried onions and a piece of fresh ginger to the simmering butternut squash. Simmer the mixture for another 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool down a bit before pouring into a stand blender. Blend to turn the mixture into smooth and glossy puree. Return the puree to the same saucepan and season with salt and brown sugar. Warm it up before plating if you prefer hot rather than warm soup. Fill the balls with the soup. Garnish with slightly toasted pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Add some heavy cream or cream of coconut. Get creative and make a design of your own. And enjoy.